AutoCAD's MEASUREGOM command is a useful tool that allows you to quickly and accurately measure various properties of objects in your drawings, like distances, angles, areas, and volumes. After completing this video, you'll be able to query values and measure the geometry of existing objects. Open the new yard layout drawing provided in the dataset. On the Ribbon's Home tab, click on the Measure tool on the Utilities panel. This executes the MEASUREGOM command in Quick Mode. In Quick Mode, as you move your cursor around the drawing, various distances, dimensions, and angles and radiuses are displayed dynamically. Zoom into the backyard and place your cursor inside the backyard's boundary. MEASUREGOM displays the lengths of lines that define the area, the distance between parallel lines, and the angles at the corners. When you move your cursor into the small expanded area at the very back of the property, notice one of the corners doesn't show an angle. Instead, it displays an orange square. This indicates that this is a right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Two of the other corners in this backyard layout also appear to be right angles, and the angle measurement shown by MEASUREGOM says 90 degrees, but they are not represented with an orange square. This likely means that the displayed angles are rounded based on the current precision of the drawing's angle units. Let's take a look at the drawing's units. Click on the Application menu, click Drawing Utilities, and then click Units. In the Drawing Units dialog, we can see that AutoCAD is reporting angles as whole numbers. Let's change the precision to 4 decimal places. Click OK, and repeat the MEASUREGOM command. We can now see that those angles weren't right angles after all. This is a great example of how MEASUREGOM can highlight issues that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. Granted, while these values aren't significant for a landscape design, they could cause problems in industries requiring greater drawing precision. Pan the drawing to the front yard and note how MEASUREGOM also returns radius values when it encounters an arc. When you click inside of a closed area, MEASUREGOM applies a green fill and reports the calculated area and the perimeter values at the cursor as well as on the command line. While Quick Mode is convenient for general purpose use, sometimes it's necessary to take specific measurements more precisely. For example, Quick Mode will not give me the distance between 2 trees. While in the MEASUREGOM command, you can choose the Distance option on the command line. This tool, combined with Object Snap overrides, can provide the precise measurement needed. MEASUREGOM's other focused measuring tools can be picked from the ribbon directly by clicking the drop-down arrow below the measure icon. By making it easy to obtain precise measurements and dimensions, the MEASUREGOM command can allow you to make informed decisions and adjustments to your design much more quickly.